Now this is the result of all query. Now guys, let us do one thing. Let me go back to the queries one more time. Now I will create, this is all query guys, which I have just created. Let me create a new query. Now I will add another clause. Here guys, I will select assign to. Now guys, here assign to, I want to see, you will get a request like guys, your project manager wanted to ask you, he wanted to know what are the tasks which have been assigned to DevOps 𝐿𝐿. So guys, what you have done, you are modifying that query, adding an extra field. The field name is assigned to, and guys, you will select DevOps 𝐿𝐿. When you run it, guys, what will happen? Can anyone tell me? When I run this query, what will I get?
The task assigned to Venkat will be displayed along with the details, query completed.
Yeah, if you look at here, guys, DevOps 𝐿𝐿 currently has 3 tasks, correct? And 2 are closed, 1 is new. Correct, guys? Are you getting my point? Guys, is it confusing or how is it?
It's fine.
Okay, for you it is fine, guys. I want to get the answer from others. Guys, Lakshmi, Nikhil, Balakrishna, Preeti, are you all following?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Guys, now let me do one thing. After you created this query, you have to save it to get the chart, guys. Save this query. Give this is the query related to DevOps 𝐿𝐿, correct? This query will only have data related to DevOps 𝐿𝐿. Will you agree? Save it in the shared queries. Okay. Now go to charts, guys. New chart. If you look at here, guys, if I select state, now I will only see 3. Why, guys? Why there are only 3 tasks?
Because it is assigned to
Only one. Now, can you tell me what is this particular chart? For DevOps 𝐿𝐿, there are 3 tasks. 2 are tasks, 1 is bug, correct? Yes, are you following?
Yeah.
So guys, you can generate as many charts as you want, but each task will have only 3 tasks, correct? Why only 3?
Total number of tasks are assigned to Venkat.
Venkat is only 3. But earlier, guys, we have seen 10 tasks, correct?
Yeah.
With that all query. Guys, in real time, how many tasks will be there? How many people will be there for one project? Guess, any guess? There will be
many people.
Many people,
testers.
and yeah, many people will be there. Many tasks will be there for any project. So guys, these charts are very useful to know about one particular person. So guys, you have to construct the query according to the requirement given by your project manager. Now guys, if you go to the next part, which is nothing but delivery plan. Yes, can you tell me what is a delivery plan? When there is a project, do we have a delivery date of that project?
Yeah.
Definitely. When we start a project, we have a goal. We have to finish this project by this month end or next month end, by this year end. So guys, click the button new plan, give a name. This is project ABC delivery plan.
I have one question, sir, if you don't mind.
Yeah, definitely.
Previously you showed that diagram, no, pie chart.
Yeah. Yes.
Where 3 tasks is there, that Venkat DevOps.
Yeah.
Out of 3, 2 is not assigned, that blue color.
2 is task, 1 is bug.
Oh, 2 is task, is that task is under running, like sorry.
Those are new tasks. So guys,
task, but not assigned. That's not assigned, sir.
No, assigned to DevOps 𝐿𝐿.
Oh, assigned already.
Yeah, assigned. Then only when we run the query for Venkat, those have been shown.
Okay.
Correct.
Assigned but not completed.
Yeah, not completed or complete. We want to see how many tasks are there with Venkat.
Okay, fine, sir.
If you run the state of a task, then you will see whether it is in new or complete or it is in resolved state.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, understood, sir. Thank you, sir.
No worries. If you look at here, guys, give a delivery plan. This is the project name. This is the team. And you can see, guys, I want to put user stories in the delivery plan. When you click the button create, can you see what has just come? Can you tell me, guys, what is this? It is telling, guys, this project has sprint 1 and sprint 2, correct guys, and sprint 3. There are 3 sprints, correct? Guys, correct? Now, currently, this is today's date. When it is going to be started, the sprint 1 will start from August 7, correct? And what are there in this sprint? Because you have selected user stories. In this sprint, this Telangana news user story will be completed, correct, guys? And if you look at the sprint 2, it will start on 20th of August and it will be finished by 8th of September. And in this sprint, we're going to complete the user story Amza news. And actually, guys, if you look at here, the total project will be delivered by 29th of September. Guys, by seeing this picture, the developer, the manager can get a clear idea when this project is going to be delivered. Guys, are you getting my point?
Yeah.
What is delivery plan? Which sprint is going to be delivered on which date? What are we covering in that sprint? And how many sprints of your project are there in your project? Guys, if you look at this simple delivery plan, you will understand everything. Will you agree? Guys, will you agree?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah, good. Yeah, now guys, now actually they have these analytical views. A week back, they have introduced this, guys. So actually, you can analyze all the tasks which are work items, what are there in this project. And I too don't know about this a lot, guys, because recently Microsoft introduced this analytical views, guys. But guys, believe me, in real time, you will not create all these things. You will not create queries, sprints, backlogs, work items. You will not do that because, guys, there is a separate team for it. But if they don't have any team, if they want you to create the sprints, then guys, you have to work on this. But believe me, you will never work. You will never work in your future as a DevOps engineer on board. But it will be good if you work, if you know all the concepts. Did you get my point? Clear? Okay, if it is
Yeah.
clear, let me go to the next thing. Guys, yesterday, when I've explained the repos, do you remember we have pushed this code? Can you tell me how I have pushed this code? How did I push this code here, guys? How the code reached this place?
Using Git.
Yeah, by using Git GUI method. Correct, guys? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Guys, how? Okay, what are these things, guys? Backend code, database repo. What are these things?
Different repos.
Repos. And this repo is created for whom?
For backend developers.
There is a backend developer. He wants this repo. And guys, what should we do after you create this repository? You have to share the URL, clone URL to the developer, correct? Do we need to share this URL with the developer?
Yes.
Why we need to share this particular URL with the developer, guys? Can anyone tell me?
So developer want to push the code from his laptop into this repository using this.
Yeah, that is the reason, guys. We need to give this URL to the backend developer. And how will he do that, guys? Very simple. Yesterday I have shown you, guys, how to do that. Let me quickly show that to you. You will provide this clone URL to the backend developer. Then assume this is a backend developer's laptop. What will they do, guys? They simply open. They will install Git. Yesterday, guys, I have given the Git URL. Have you installed the Git, guys? In your systems, have you done it? First of all, have you created the DevOps account from the cloud account. Have you done that?
No.
Okay,
So I
let's
didn't do.
Okay, guys, first today you have to create both the accounts today, guys. Do that. I'll provide one document after this class in the Slack. So you can, it is very easy to create it, guys. But if you get any problem, you can simply view the document to create the DevOps account. Now, guys, just you need to click on the button clone existing repository. And after that, the URL will be given by the DevOps engineer. You just copy that here, and in the target repository directory, what should you do, guys? What will you do? You will provide one folder, and here, guys, I'm B code for project 60 bash 64. If you look at here, guys, when you click, guys, there are two locations. One is source location. The other one is target location. Guys, can anyone tell me what are these two locations?
So by looking into the target folder in laptop, all the code need to be copied to the repository there, Azure repo.
So what are the names given to these two folders?
One is the local repo.
Yeah, guys, this is a local repository. This is my Azure repository or remote repository. Whatever code, okay, when you click the button clone, what will happen, guys? Can you see cloning from this HTTP DevOps account? So we are cloning from the actual project and into my local folder. If you look at here, guys, cloning is done. If you look at here, in the C drive, in the projects folder, I have, what is the name? This one, na? B code batch 64. Guys, this is the BE code batch 64 is a local repository. And what is the remote repository, guys? Where is the remote repository?
On Azure.
On Azure. No, on your DevOps account. This is the remote repository. Correct, guys? Now, if you want to move something here, how will you move? You just copy that here, correct? New file, hi.txt. So this is some code, guys, some code written by the programmer. Save this, save it. Now, how we need to move it? Very simple. You just click the button, rescan. You will see the next file here, guys. Next, click the button, stage change. Then the change will be staged. Now give a command, guys. Commit message. First commit. Give any message, guys. Now click the button commit. When you push this particular button, what will happen, guys? You can see current branch is master. Click the button push. When you push it, what will happen, guys? Whatever the code which is there in the local repository, you can see local repo has a file called hi.txt. If you go back to your remote repository here, because we have pushed the code to master branch, just go to the master, guys. You will see that file. Can you see who has written this file? Who has written this file? The backend programmer. And after he write the file, what he has done, guys, by using Git, he pushed this code to this master branch of my project repository, correct? Now, let me tell you what is this main and master, guys. Very simple. Guys, in real time, whenever you work on, you have to create your own branches. For example, guys, first, guys, currently I'm on my master. Can you see this is master branch? And I have two files in it, correct? Read me, just leave about that. You have this hi.txt. Now, guys, look at the same diagram. Let me check out to main. Select tracking and set origin main. When you check out this branch, guys, can you see this folder here? Where is hi, guys? Why I'm unable to see the hi?
It's in different branch.
Yeah, it is in different branch. You cannot find in main. If you go back to here, It is in master. If you go to main, can I see the high? No high here, correct? Okay, let me explain one more time. Simple. Every programmer, guys, if it's a big project and there is a team of front-end developers, for example, there is a 5 people front-end guys who is working only the front-end code, and there's a team of 4 back-end developers, and you have 3 database analysts. So you have some 10 to 12 member team who are only the developers. Then guys, what you will do? They will actually create their branches. Can you see branch create? Guys, here I will create a branch called FE branch. And guys, I will create this branch in margin, in origin main. That means main has now a child called FE branch. Click the button create. Now guys, if you look at the project folder, currently you are in FE branch. Now this is for the front-end developer. Very simple. Now guys, here what will I do? I'll start writing some code. This is the front-end code. Save it, close it. Now rescan it. You can see the code. Stage it. Give a commit message. FE code commit. Commit. When you push it, guys, you are pushing it to FE branch. Push it. Now, guys, if you look at here, now I can tell there is an extra branch added called FE branch, correct? And if you look at that FE branch, it has a code called FE code1.txt, correct, guys? Why we need to create branches? I'll explain one picture. Don't confuse, guys. It is very, very important and very easy also. Whenever you create a project, guys, you will have this main branch. Now, for example, guys, this is front-end branch. This is back-end branch. 2 children of the same tree. This is FE branch. This is BE branch. Guys, can you tell me who will work on this branch?
Front-end people.
All front-end guys. And who will work on this branch?
Back-end guys.
All back-end people. Now, guys, here we have created code 1, code 2 in the front-end branch, and we have created code 3, code 4 in the backend branch. They have taken 1 month to finish their code, and they have taken 2 months to finish their code. After they have done their code, guys, what we need to do? We have to merge this branch with main. When you merge this branch with main, what will happen, guys? Currently, main has 0 files in it, correct? But after you merge the FE branch to the main, now main will contain 2 files, code 1, code 2. Because you merge this branch, and after that, guys, what will you do? After some time, you will merge the backend branch to the main. Now, guys, main will contain 4 files, code 3 and code 4. Are you understanding, guys, what I'm doing here? Are you all following, guys? Clear till this point?
Yes.
Yeah, let me practically do that, guys. If you go back to here, guys, if you look at this back project folder, look at here, guys. Now I am checking out to my main. When I check out to main, this FE code will no longer here, correct? Correct, guys, because main is empty. Now what will I do? I'll create BE branch, a new branch. This is for the backend, guys. In the main, I will create this BE branch, create. You can see currently I'm on PE branch. Here, guys, I'll add new files. PE code. This is the code written by the backend people. And after he writes the code, what will he do, guys? Will he push the code to the repo? How will he push? Rescan. He will see the new code, state changed, give a commit message, be code commit. Click on commit, click on push, push to backend branch, push. Now clearly observe this. Now you need to observe. If you come back here, now guys, you have how many branches you have, guys, currently? How many branches are there?
3.
4, correct? Main, FE branch, BE branch, master. Will you agree?
So what is the difference between the main and master?
Yeah, just wait, you will understand. If you look at here, guys, when I click the button master, what I have in master, guys? Hi, correct? When I click the button FE branch, I have FE code in it, correct, guys? When I click the button BE branch, I have BE code in it, correct? So every programmer has pushed their code to their own branch. Now, guys, I told you after they have pushed their code to their branch, after some time, they need to merge their branch with the main. Now, guys, let us look at here. Go back to the repo, click on the pull request. Click the button new pull request. And here, guys, I want to merge master with main. Now, guys, when you merge it, simply click the button create. Now, guys, complete merge. If you look at here, guys, if you look at here, if you come back here, how many branches are there, guys, here? Only 3. There is no master, correct?
Yeah.
Now, if you go back to the main, now can I see hi in main? Earlier, where was it, guys, earlier?
Master.
In master. Now let me do one more time. Create pull request. If I merge BE to main, guys, why we need to do that, I'll explain this. Look at here. When I merge BE to main, if you look at here, guys, there are reviewer. Who is a reviewer, guys? I'm selecting DevOps 𝐏𝐸𝐞 as a reviewer. Okay, guys, why there is need of a reviewer when we are merging the code to main? Any ideas?
It should not violate
Yeah,
the
guys.
original code.
Yeah, actually, guys, main will have the actual code. How many branch you will create from main, that if the code reaches main, it will be available for everyone. So, guys, whenever you are merging your branch code to the main, there will be a code reviewer. He will check whether if you have written the code correct or not. Now, guys, when I have assigned one reviewer, when you click the button create, until this reviewers approve. When will he approve, guys, this much? If he's satisfied, there is no problem with the code, then only he'll approve, correct? You can see DevOps 𝐏𝐸𝐞 approved this pull request. Now click the button correct, complete match. Are you following it?
I have one question. What is the difference? What will be present in master and what will be present in?
Yeah, just wait. Here, guys, very simple. In real time, whenever we create branches, whenever we create the code, it is not mandatory to merge the code, guys. If no one creates any branch, for example, everyone use the same structure, the total code will be moved to master only. If there is no branch, guys, no code will move directly to the main. Everyone will move their code to the master. Now, guys, after some time, 1 or 2 months, if everything is happy, everyone is happy, then what you need to do, either you can merge the master with main, or you can leave the branch as it is, and you can create pipelines over the master branch. So why we do that? That will come in the next step. When we create pipeline, guys, when we need to use master, when we need to use main, then you will understand. Don't worry. For now, guys, I know it is actually, guys, is it confusing or what? Is it too much confusing? Because this is one of the, because guys, this is a little one of the complex topic. If you have understood anything, guys, let me draw this diagram, and guys, you just tell me what I am doing here. If you look at here, now, guys, this is FE branch. This is B branch. This is DB branch. Now, this branch has again a sub branch. This is FE programmer 1 branch. Here, guys, now currently in the main, 0 files. Main contains 0 files. Now, if you look at here, guys, the front end program, that means, guys, this branch has, okay, let me draw one more thing. This branch has, there are totally 2 programmers, 2 front end programmers, guys. This is programmer 2, P2 branch. Don't confuse. Tomorrow, one more time, I will explain that entire structure. At the first time, guys, no one understands this class because it's too complex, but it's not that much complex also. Just listen. The front-end programmer 1, for example, he is Sachin. He has written a code called code1.t, some code 1. And this person, guys, written the code 2. Now, guys, after he write this branch, he will merge this branch with FE branch. When he merge, because he's a junior guy, there is a senior front-end developer. He will look at the code. If he has satisfies, then the merge can be happen. Now the FE branch will have code 1. Will you agree, guys?
Yes.
Because at this point I have merged this branch with my FE branch. Now, guys, after some time, this programmer 2 has also merged his code to the FE branch, and that FE main front-end program uploaded. Now my FE branch will have 2 files, code 1 and code 2. Will you agree, guys? Now, guys, this is my branch. Now what I'm doing, now I'm merging this with main. Guys, I know it is very complex, but don't worry, guys. I will explain this again tomorrow also. This is my main, guys. Now I'll ask some questions. You just answer me. At least there will be one person who may answer the question. I'm just finding, yeah. If you look at here, there are 2 checkpoints. Okay, guys, this DB branch has, this is DB code 1. And guys, after some time, he merged this with DB. So now this DB branch has DB code 1. Now, guys, just tell me, okay, I have another branch also now, B branch. Yeah, here, this is backend programmer, backend P3 branch. What we have done, guys, I have merged here. This has code B1. Now, after a merge, now this B branch has code B1. Now, guys, what I have done, I have merged it here. I merged it here. Now, guys, I'll ask some questions. You just answer me. I know it is very tough. If you don't understand, don't worry, guys. Tomorrow, I'll spend an entire hour on this. It is very, very important. Guys, can I ask some questions from this diagram?
Yes.
Now, guys, first point, at first checkpoint, at this particular point, what are the files in main?
Code B1.
So before merge, it is a 0 file.
Yeah. But you have already merged it. Yeah? You have merged here.
Yeah.
This is the merge point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Code B1 will be there in main.
Yeah. In main, you only have this code BE1, correct?
Yeah.
At this, okay. Now, guys, I am creating another new branch from here, correct? I have created a DB branch here, correct? From main. Correct? When I created the DB branch here, will it contain any file?
Yes, code B1 will be there.
Guys, code B1 will be there in the DB code also. Why, guys?
So if you create any branch from the master branch, so what are all the files present will be default by copy.
Yeah, if you look at here, guys, because I am starting my new branch from this point, but by this point, my main has already have this particular code BE1. So guys, by default, any branch created after this will have this code BE1. That is the reason, guys, whenever we are pushing something into the main, that code need to be reviewed, because once it reaches main, all branches which will be created upon main will have that particular code in that by default. Now, guys, can you tell me what main will contain at this particular point, this point? Files in main.
Okay, after you merge, so it will be code 1, code 2, and code B1.
Yes, guys, but this point you have code B1, and guys, by this point you have already merged this FE branch into it. So you will be having 3 files: code 1, code 2, and code B1. Guys, by this point, how many files will be there in the main?
So DB code 1 also will be there.
Yeah, DB code 1 also will come into the main. Guys, I know it is very complex. Don't worry. Tomorrow, guys, what will I do? We will practically, I'll show you when we create these branches, when we add it, when we delete it, when we do all these things, then you will understand clearly, guys. Don't worry. For now, just try to understand this picture. If it is clear, then well and good. If it is not clear, tomorrow I'll explain in more details. Okay? It's clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to take much time here today, guys, because I think you're already confused. So I don't want to tell any new thing. Yes, today, okay. What will you do, guys? Today's assignment. What will you do in today's assignment? First create both DevOps account and cloud account, Azure cloud account. First, you do.
We need a credit card or a debit card.
Let me explain, guys. To create a DevOps account, you don't need anything. It is free. You can, without having a debit or credit card, you can create it. But to create an Azure cloud account, you should have a debit card or credit card. Yes, any card is enough. It will work. But that card should be internationally approved. That means if you open an app, there will be an option called allow international transaction. Do you know that, guys? Have you ever seen it in your banking app?
No.
Because, guys, yeah, if it is credit card, it will definitely work, guys. No, don't worry. If it is a debit card, you have to enable that, because, guys, whenever you create this account, $2, okay, India, if it is India, 2 rupees will be debited from that account, and after 3 days, those 2 rupees again traded back to your account. Just to verify you are a legitimate user for Azure cloud. And guys, when you have created this Azure account, it will be free for 1 month. It will only be free for 1 month. That means whenever you created this cloud account, 14,000 Indian rupees worth services will be given to you as free. So that is more than enough for us, guys. So nothing will be charged on your account, but you need to give your debit card or credit card to the Microsoft Cloud. You need to validate that card on the site. Once it is added, then only you will have Azure account created for you guys. So don't forget to do that. So create both the accounts. Yes, if you don't know how to create it, tomorrow we will sit together and create it. But it's very simple, guys. You simply click next, it will be done. But just look at that. Guys, next create boards. Here in the boards, what will you do? Create work items. And after that, guys, what will you do? Create backlog. Next, what will you do? Create sprint. Next, try to create some queries. Next, guys, delivery plan. This is board. In the repo, what will you do, guys? In repos, you push some sample code into first master branch. Then, guys, create some more branches and try to push some random codes there. And later, try to merge them. And share all your screens here. Guys, okay, it is a lot of work, but try to spend some time on this assignment, guys. And if you get any doubts or issues, tomorrow in the first 10 minutes to resolve your issues only, guys. So don't worry, first 10 minutes for resolving your issues. So, okay, any doubts in today's class, guys?
While creating
Yesterday
boards,
task, sir.
Yeah.
Please explain yesterday task tomorrow, sir.
Okay. Yesterday class. Okay, I'll come to that. Don't worry, because we have guys. If you look at here, we have only seen these boards and a part of repos. Still, we haven't come to pipelines. Tomorrow in the next class, I'll explain how to create these pipelines and explain everything. So don't worry about that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Okay.
So where to access the previous class recording? It will be shared to us.
Yeah. If you have added to the Slack channel, every batch, simply type classroom.google.com, guys. You will Gmail. If you have given the Gmail to our guys, if you look at here, the recordings will be shared like this, guys. Class 46 every day, day 44, and the what I have taught on that in that particular class. So every recording after you finish the class, after from 20 to 30 minutes, you will receive that class recording in this class, Google Classroom, guys. Okay, and try to be in this Slack, guys. Ask Emmanuel to add you to this Slack, and please be present in the WhatsApp group also. Okay.
Venkat, one doubt.
Yeah.
While creating work items, for me it's showing only three work
Yeah.
items.
Why? Because the problem there, when you have created the project, you have selected basic, not agile.
Okay.
It should be in agile only. You will see all the work items.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Any more doubts to anyone, guys? Is it clear today's class? I know it is a little bit complex, but there is nothing complexity is there, guys, because first time you're viewing it, it may look a little bit odd for you, but tomorrow, guys, I'll again explain the picture and we will practically do that. Then it will be crystal clear for you. So don't worry. Okay, guys. Okay, then let us all meet tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, now.
We are uploading some of the real-time project videos of Azure DevOps and Admin on our YouTube channel. To complete all the projects, click the link in the description for this course. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.